Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today we are doing the drawing for Panda-Frog 21 May, and I will announce the challenge for Panda-Frog 21 June. Alright, so all the people are in here who earned entries. Some have multiple entries for the consecutive in a row and stuff. So I was saying I would give away 1 coin this month, but I feel good today and I have a day off, so let's double that and let's draw 2 winners, alright? So let's do it. And the first coin goes to Dr. Evil. Congratulations, my friend. And yeah, deactivating. Alright, so the second bonus coin, and of course the lock, will go to Norlin, Michael Gilchrist. Congratulations, Norlin. You got the bonus coin. Well, that's it for the drawing. We got Fess here and we got Norlin for the bonus coin with the lock. Yeah, Norlin, I sent you a cover star. Maybe you can pick it now. Just kidding. You already got one. And well, it's rather fitting because the challenge for this month, I haven't tried it yet. I'm probably gonna blame myself. And blame, we call it, I don't remember. Gonna make a fool out of myself today, probably, because I haven't practiced this challenge I want you to do. Norlin came up with it, so it's his fault. So let's get in. I got in. That is a 1100. 1100. I have to set up the camera really quick, sorry. I'm sorry, I have to really quickly change the setup. Oh damn. Okay, so fine. Well, now I need attention, huh? So it's an 1100. It doesn't matter what lock you use. You have to single pin pick it. Alright, single pin picking, like always. I will hate it. Norlin came up with the idea, so it's his fault. It is all his fault. He probably came up because he knew he will win today. So, yeah. Well, single pin pick it. Challenge yourself. Won't be nice. Get in the vise. Let me see if the tension is fine. So, alright, it is in a vise. Then, let me see which one is better. Then we will turn it around so it faces away from you. And now, let me zoom in a little. I'm not really prepared today. I'm lazy. It's a good day, but it's a lazy day today. So it faces away from me, alright. So let me really quickly check tensioning tool, and now pick the lock. I don't know if I can do it. Oh, that sucks. Got a serration there. I believe it's... No, it wasn't pin 1. Oh my god, that sucks. I don't see shit. I might use a different pick for this one. I think I'm on 4th set. Yeah, I am. It's not open yet. There I got counter. And I lost my 4th set, of course. Okay, I'm in my fourth set again. Oh, woo! First try. Nice. It wasn't too long. So again, you can pick any lock, single pin picket, no raking. Because that would be too easy. Raking on the other side, that's fine. The keyway has to face away from you. So usually I would pick it like this, but we have to face it away. Don't be worried, the camera is on a like a 45-degree angle, that's why it looks strange. So let me see if I can pick it again. Well, you don't have to watch the rest of the video, but I would like to pick it again the normal way. Again, lock facing away from you, then single pin picket, and you don't need to guard it or anything. Challenge yourself a little. And in June we got... Do we have the mail? No, we're gonna do the mail next week. So you will get your entries and stuff like the usual way. Pick any lock, challenge yourself if possible. If you really impress me with a difficult lock, I might give you an extra entry. As always, if you do it in a plastic panda costume or panda stuff on your fingers or whatever, you will get also an extra entry. Lock facing away from you and picket, single pin picket. That's it for June. Alright, we got the drawing. Congratulations, Fest here, Dr. Evil and Norlin. I will get in contact with you. I got your addresses. Don't worry. You talk on the Discord. That's it from me. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.